Greetings and welcome to the Multi Store Addons for WooCommerce plugin. In this video, we will be going over the Header Store Selector widget. So let's get started. So the Header Store Selector widget allows your customers to select a store location from your storefront. And once they do so, the product prices, availability, and stock will be updated according to the store they select. So this page here details all the features of the Header Store Selector widget, and the link for this page will be made available to you as well. For now, let's head over to WordPress and see how we can enable the Header Store Selector widget. So on WordPress, we'll head over to Agile Store Locator and go to the WooCommerce section here. Then we'll head over to the Inventory tab. Make sure that the Inventory module is enabled. Also then make sure that the Store Selector widget is set to Header widget. Scroll down here and you will see that the header widget is available in two styles, the pop-up style and off-canvas style, which we will see shortly. And also the store selector mode can either be search mode or select mode. So let's take a look at all of these options quickly. Let's head over to our storefront. So here is the header store selector widget in the off-canvas style, and also the store selection is set to select, where we select a city or region and then choose a store directly. Now let's take a look at the other options. Let's see how the pop-up style looks and how the store selector mode works with the search selection. So choose that and click on Save Settings. Now let's head back to our storefront and refresh the page. And now the header store selector widget is now in the pop-up style, and also the store selection method is now on the search type. So here we can search for a store location, and once it's selected we can then choose a store in that particular location. So the header widget supports both delivery and pickup. So let's see what happens once a customer selects a new store. And as you can see, once we selected a different store, the product offerings have been updated as well as the prices. So now let's see what happens once a customer selects an item and proceeds to checkout. Let's add this to the cart and let's proceed to checkout. So since we chose the local pickup option, from here we can also choose the delivery date, and we can also pick a time slot for the delivery, and then we can place the order. And once the order has been placed, the order details can be viewed over here. As you can see, the product price total, the shipping option, the store name, store address, delivery date. You can also view the order summary on the back end. Let's head back to WordPress and let's head over to the WooCommerce tab over here and click on orders. And if we click on the order that was just placed, you can see that the order details are appearing here as well. The product that was ordered, the transaction amount, as well as the shipping method, the store name, store address, and delivery and pickup time as well. Now if you want to disable the delivery date and pickup time, you can do so by going to the Agile Store Locator plugin, head back to the WooCommerce tab here, then go to the local pickup tab over here, and from this option over here you can enable or disable the date selection on the checkout page. Now the header widget is also fully customizable. To customize it, you can head over to the Agile Store Locator, then go to ASL settings, and once you're here, go to the customizer tab. Then select the template you wish to customize, which is the store selector in our case. And we will edit the or customize the selected store section. Click on load template. And once the code is loaded, you can now customize it according to your requirements. So for example, let's change this to select a different store. We'll also make one more change over here. Let's replace this line with something else. And before we make the change, let's head back to our storefront and view the changes live. So once the changes have been done, let's now save the template. Now let's head back to our storefront. So this is the result before the change. Now let's refresh the page and see what happens. As you can see, we now have select a different store on the button over here, as well, and the text has changed as well for the store that is selected. So that's some of these features of the Header Store Selector widget. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.